Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mott. What we're going to do is we're going to go over how to find and how to do this webquest that we have, which may help understand these different types of bonding situation. So you're going to need to open this in Puffin because I think it uses some flash animation. So you're going to Google nortonchem. Okay, it can be all one word or two separate words, nortonchem. So this website is a college textbook website, and they got all these really cool chem tours. This actually might be something if you're struggling on a certain topic, you may want to come back to this, maybe bookmark it. All right, so we're going to open up chem tours. Okay, and then you have all these different options. So what you're going to do is choose chapter 10 here, or number 10, forces between ions and molecules. Okay, then we're going to go into intermolecular forces here. As a side note, if you click on the hydrogen bonding one, it's pretty slick. It shows in here how the water molecules are attached. It may be important, hint, hint, on our test. Also, it shows here when ice forms its bonds, you see all this space in here, which is really interesting. This space is why the volume of the water molecules gets bigger when it freezes. So kind of a neat thing. You can click on the view, and then it's kind of 3D, and then you can kind of rotate it, which is pretty trippy. So anyway, you can check that out if you want. A lot of good interesting things on hydrogen bonding here. But let's go back to the other one, and we're going to click on intermolecular forces. Okay. So at this point, Windows is going to pop up. I think it's Flash. That's why I'm pretty sure you need to do this in Puffin. The strength of the intermolecular forces in a substance determines many of its macro. All right, I'm just going to mute it there just so we don't have to hear that. It's going to read what we have here, and lots of really good stuff. There's questions in your packet if you want to answer it, or you can just watch it. There's some good real-world connections. Just going to click on that. And then as you go through, what you're going to do is that you're going to hit this play button that's sort of been highlighted here. If you hit this other button on the next section, it's going to skip some really interesting things that you want to know. All right. It's just going to read out loud. So if you have headphones, you can listen to it. But if not, you're going to want to mute it. Okay. If you need to see a periodic table, you're going to go up here. Okay. If you need a calculator for some reason, you can go here. There are some questions at the very end. Regarding calculations, you can skip past those because we're not going to ask you those type of questions. In college, you might see questions like that. But it's really interesting, and then especially when you're talking about London dispersion forces, why there's that sort of interaction between them. It's really good information. All right, so I think it would be useful, maybe 15 minutes of your time to be able to go through this, and hopefully it's helpful, and that's it. So hope you get something out of this, and we'll see you later.